Oh, there we go. There's the first bass of the day. Oh, was the first bass of the day. There we go. Got something. Got a little sunfish on the popper. Oh, but he swallowed it. Yay. Dandy pliers. Not what I thought I was gonna get on the popper, but that'll work. A little sunfish. It's kind of funny. There we go. Gotcha. Come here. I know, I'm sorry. You'll go back to your bed here in a second. Give me your mouth. There we go. First bass of the day. First creek bass. Looks like a female. Looks like there's a little bed that was over there, that was garden. Was finally able to get it to bite. There we are. That was cool. There we go. That's a decent one. Come here. You gobbled that thing, didn't you? I'm gonna get my pliers. Hold on, buddy. There we are. Bass number 2. Another little guy. There we go. Looks like they're starting to wake up a little bit this morning. Oh, I think I got the big one. Yep. There we go. No, come here, buddy. Oh, you wrapped around the pole. No. There we go. Got it. Come here. No, don't go back around that pole. Come here. Come here, Bubby. I've been fighting this fish for a good 20 minutes. Finally got it. There we go. About time, girl. This was the biggest fish I've seen in here all day. Nice, beautiful largemouth. Look at that. This thing's been circling around me all day, teasing me. Finally got her. Get a couple pics. All right, now I can move on. I've been in this same hole for at least a good 20 minutes fighting, trying to get that fish. Whew, that feels good. There we go. Something. There's a little bluegill. Or sunfish, excuse me. Our spike is down. Oh, or not.